meeting, we're already done with number 8. So you have a 5 out of 6 na score here. So we proceed with 9. Yun, yung may nalagay na start here. So for number 9, you just do this. Wait lang. Sino ba ang mga related dito? Okay. I suggest 9 to 11. Tuloy-tuloy mo to siya gawin kasi magkaka-related na questions ito. Okay? So for number 9, you need to draw the structure of 1E4R, 1,4-dimethyl cyclodecene. And then you need to provide an enantiomer and name it, including the proper prefixes. And then sa last question for number 9, draw 2 diastereomers and name them, including the EZ and RS prefixes. That's for number 9. Okay?
Mama.
So, ayan. Pwede. Okay. Sinimulan mo na pala siya. Ito yung number 9 mo. Tapos, sa number 10 naman, we have this bongkrecic acid. So, it's a toxic compound from Pseudomonas cocovenans. Okay. Well, anyways, I'll orient you sa number 10 and 11 hanggang 10 and 11 when you're already there. Okay? Just
Yeah.
continue lang yung 9 muna, Josh. So, basta 9, 10, 11 yung sasagutan mo ng tuloy-tuloy. And then, after that, we check first your output. Okay? Quick, ano
Sige,
lang
ma'am.
ako, Josh, quick CR lang na mabilis.
Sige, ma'am. Ay, as simple as wait a minute. 1, 2, 9 ang bawang. Anyway, I'm just going to make a wild guess kasi hindi ko alam kung exactly ganito na yung tama. Ish.
Hi Josh, are you done with number 10 and 11?
10 po, yes. Ang 11.
You answer 11 already.
Yes, ako.
We can check them 9 to 11. So this is all related naman. More
Yes,
on the
ako.
stereochemistry of um, alkenes.
Hmm. So, So, either okay. So, Pantene for sure. Eh, okay. May tanong pa po dito. Kumbaga,
Hmm.
may isa siyang base tapos gumagalaw-galaw lang yung double band.
Kung may tawag diyaan. Hindi. More on ano lang siya. Um, conformational isomers.
Ano po tawag dito po?
Where?
Ito pong
Saang
confirmation.
set? Saang set?
Ito
Like,
pa yung
anong
ito
pair?
pong ano lang po. What do you call that po? Alkane, ano niya? Parang structure.
Ah, pero, hindi naman siya isoprene. Doesn't look like an isoprene to me. It's just 1, 2,
Kung methyl pentane po, no?
3, 4, 5. Yeah, 2 metal pentene. Pero check
Tapos
mo
ito
nga kung
naman po, ang gagawin ko
isoprene
kasi,
yun.
3-methyl pentane
Pag
naman.
isoprene ay
3-methyl pentane naman. So,
butyl.
parang ano nga po, no? A good question.
Yeah. Butadiene ng isoprene. Pero that's yeah, 2 metal pentene lang.
Tama.
There's no specific if they'll ask me, there's no specific naming convention or naming group for them. Pero mga conformational isomer sila. So yung parang ang inaano mo ay gumagalaw lang yung double bond, no? Right?
Tama.
Yung pattern. Mm-mm.
Yes, opo.
Yeah. There's no specific based on my knowledge, there's no specific term for that. Yung parang the double bond is just moving um, between carbon atoms to create or for you to have conformational isomers. So, check nga natin. The instruction is, okay, you need also to include the EZ and RS designation when necessary.
Name po lahat na at saka easy RS.
Yeah, You double check kung merong mga ano ha. O ayan, another clue mo lang. You double check if may mga same molecule dyan ha. Para at least you just need to present one lang na structure.
Sige po.
Baka kasi molecule ka. Hanggang dun lang ang aking pwedeng sabihin.
Ano po kayo, pag may sinabi po kayo, ano po kayo, execute kayo. Parang may pack of silence.
I don't wanna give clues anymore kasi alam mo na yan.
Bakit ba? Why? Anyway. I guess. So this oh, yan na ba? 7.
Complete na?
Tapos na ba? Siguro.
Okay. Check natin yan para makaano tayo. Makadami ng items today. Okay. Okay. Okay, so let's start answering number 9. Yeah. Okay. For number 9, so you are tasked here to um for number 9, you are tasked here to draw the structure of 1E4R, 1 for the methyl cyclo design. Okay, so where is that? 1 for 1E. So ito. 1E4R, 1 for dimethyl cyclodecene. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, tama naman yung ring mo. Let me just change my audio para mas rinig mo ako, Josh.
Tama.
Sounds. Hello, Josh. Can you hear me?
Tama.
Okay, good. So you have 1 for dimethyl cyclodecene. I'm looking for 1E4R. So let me just check your answer. 1E4R, 1 for dimethyl cyclodecene. So you should have a methyl dito. Okay, that's fine. Tapos dapat 1E4R. So dapat same size. Same side yung ano. Oh, hindi pala same side. Ang priority. Okay, itong priority ko. Itong priority ko. So this is correct. This is E. Then should have here a 4R. So kung 4R ito, nasa ilalim ang hydrogen mo. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Tapos you have
Ay, naku.
kaya naputol lang yung meeting. So, nandun na ako sa checking ako ng details mo ng 4R. What you can do here is, Josh, you can also represent cyclodecene na parang naka-fuse siya na dalawang cyclohexane. Okay. So later, I'll let you see it. I'm just checking if this is 4R dapat. So this will be 1 followed by 2 and then 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is R. Tama ito. So I'll give you a 0.5 for the structure kasi yan yung hinahanap ko, no? So, yan. And then, ang enantiomer niya ay 1E4S. Okay, so this will be 1. Correct. So, S din ito. 1, 2, 3. This time, na-mention ba ang kanyang ano? Excuse me po. Dapat ang enantiomer niya ay si 1E4S. 1,4-dimethyl cyclodecene enantiomer. Okay, this is correct. Give you 1 point for this kasi ano to, name at saka yung structure. Tapos ang sabi ko, sunod ay dapat makapagbigay ka ng 2 enantiomer, diastereomers. So you can have the 1Z4R, 1,4-dimethylcyclodecene, and 1Z4S, yung enantiomer nito, as, yeah. Medyo kakaiba lang yung drawing mo. Kasi nga kailangan ano siya, Z, no? 1Z. Yeah, okay. Okay. Ito ay nasa taas ang hydrogen mo ngayon. This will be number 3 ito, number 1 ito, number 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, clockwise ito. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, S ito. Yeah, nakuha mo ito lahat. Correct ka dito. For number 9. However, kailangan mo pala malaman na okay, ito ay okay, these are diastereomers. Kasi ito yung enantiomer mo. Yep, correct. Enantiomers ito. Okay, diastereomers. Correct. So, choose one and then another. So, kuha mo to lahat. For number 9, you're perfect dito, Josh. 3.5 over 3.5.
Tama.
Good. Lagay ko lang number 8. Number 9 pala ito. 5 out of 6 ka ata. Yep. Number 9, 3.5 out of 3.5. Ay, number... Okay, 3.5 over 3.5 for number 9. So like what I mentioned, Josh, no? Pwede mong i-represent yung cyclodecene na easier way, yung para siyang dalawang fuse na cyclohexane. So wala kang bridgehead atom, kumbaga, no? So wala kang bridgehead atom. So you can do this, Josh. Sana. Ayan, pwede siyang ganito, Josh.
Parang,
1,
parang
2, 3,
dalawang,
4,
parang
5,
dalawang
6, 7,
benhin po tapos ang tanggal yung isa.
Yeah. Or 2 cyclohexane na parang, 2 cyclohexane na naka-fuse. Pero wala kang beached atoms. Ano ba to? Yan. Tapos, ito ay, you'll have the CH3 here. And then, you can have here another CH3. So, this can be your, yan. That's your 1E, 4R, 1 for dimethylcyclodecene. You can use that because this will be a hindi siya better. Actually, mas tama yung ginawa mo, no? Yung circular. But this one is a easier to illustrate, no? But sometimes, yung mga molecules, they can also rearrange like that, no? Lalo na kung mga malalaking links. Pwede na kasi silang matupi or mag-twist, no? Kasi you have enough space for them to be allowed in such conformation. Okay? From there, you can easily illustrate the enantiomer of the given compound 1E4R1 for dimethylcyclodecene and its diastereomers. Okay?
Opo.
Pwede mo yan just gamitin, ha? Ina-expose lang kita sa other possible type of illustration of your structures. Clear?
Opo.
Okay, so let's proceed now to number 12. For number 12, let me check. Okay, this is Z. Okay, correct. Is Z, tapos ito ay E. This is also correct. Tapos, ito ay E, according to you, yes. Antigen yan. Then another antigen, and then Zusamil. Tapos, this is another Z, and then another E. So, correct. So, you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 double bonds down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Z, E, 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 Z, E, Z, Z. E, Z, Z. Okay, perfect ka dito sa label each double bond in boncretic acid as E or Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'll give you 0.25 each, no? So 1 point and then 1.75. This. And it's easier to label easy sa mga double bonds. It's actually more challenging to name or to assign RS, right? So I think you know that by now. Parang mas madaling mag-assign ng easy versus RS. Kasi ang maganda kay
Opo.
easy
Easy kasi
ay hindi
right away po kita.
at
In
saka
a
hindi
way.
mo kailangan ng additional visual aid for easy. Ay, yan. Tapos yung susunod, I'll give you 0.5 for each. Dalawa lang naman yung natin, right? Yung stereogenic. Tama ba? 1 and 2. Correct. 1 and 2. Okay. H ang nasa likod. So, okay. 1 na ka. Then, ito ay Josh, can you check this one kung R siya or S?
Saan ba? Pa?
Ito. Yan.
Aba?
Sige, i-label mo. Paano siya naging R?
No.
Sino ang first priority mo?
No.
Anong oh no?
Bakit ba? Oh no. Paano ba? Paano ba?
Anong oh no?
Oh no.
You check which one is the first priority. You use a green pen.
Oh no.
Dapat 'di ba ito ang unang priority kasi siya ang may double bond, correct? And then
Oh
which one
no.
will be the second?
Oh no.
Second, oy, paki-label. Which chain is the second or which of the second? Correct. So lagyan mo 2.
Oh no. Bakit ba? What's the
Lagyan mo yan
problem?
ng
What seems to
2.
be the problem?
And then the CH3 will be number 3, right? Oh, anong rotation?
R po, R.
Why? How? How come? 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's clear. Counterclockwise yan. Ikaw talaga.
Pag
Oy.
ganun pa clockwise. Okay, so R. Okay. Okay, aba.
Oh, this
Di ba
is...
R?
No. Okay, mali ka dito. X. To revert my checking color. Checking. So, dapat ito
R po siya, R. Di ba ba?
Hindi. Should be S. Yeah, perfectly S. Tapos, tignan mo yung kabila. Which one is the first one?
Ano ba?
Which one is the first one?
Tang, tang,
Kabila.
tang. Okay. Alam ko naman, this one.
Anong ayan? Ang first.
Oh no, ito pala. Ito pala.
CIP.
One,
Di ba
to.
can in gold prelogrol yan?
One.
Okay, kasi siya pinakamababa eh.
Oh no.
Pinakamataas na atomic number. So 1. Oh, lagyan mo yan label 1. It should be 1, right? Oh, tapos ito ang 2 and then 3. So ano ang rotation?
Oh no. Wait, meron po kasi nalagay dito eh. It's actually R. Paano ba?
Oh. Yan, it is originally S. And aside from that, nagkaroon ka ng mismatch na answer. However, ito ay meron ilang site. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So may 9 na. May 9 ka possible sites, no? For stereoisomer changes. So dapat 2 raised to 9 ito, right? So meron kang siyam na stereo centers, kumbaga. And that will be, wait, let me check. Okay, 1 and 2. And yep, 2 raised to 9. So siyam na site for your stereoisomeric changes based sa answer mo. This should be 2 raised to 9 or 512 possible stereoisomers. So, ito understood ko naman, Josh, ha, na ito ay 2 raised to 9. So, however, lagyan mo na lang minsan ng unit para clear. So, ano ba itong 2 raised to 9? 512 watt. So, these are 512 stereoisomers, possible stereoisomers. I'll give you 1 point for this. Kaya dito sa structure, hindi ko alam kung magkano ang ibibigay ko sa'yo kasi yung dalawa. Okay. Yun pala. So, 0 point ka dito. So, 0 out of 1 for letter B. Okay, congratulations. 0 out of 1 for letter B. So this will be, ang total natin ay 3.75 and you've got 2.75. This is still fine though.
Wow.
Still fine pa rin naman to. 2.75 out of 3. Okay? Still fine. Huwag ka mag-alala yung score na fine pa rin naman. And then, let's proceed now to your number 11. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. So, 9 na ang binigay mo. Let me check. 2-methyl, 1-pentene. So, this is it. So, I'll give you 1.8. Kasi structure and name. Or, ayan ba yung given? Let me check lang sa number 9. Number 11. For number 11, draw all stereoisomers having molecular formula of C6H12 include that contain 1 double bond and a 5 carbon chain with 1 carbon branch. So make sure na may branch dito, no? May branching ka. At least 1. So regardless kung saan siya nakaposition. Nasa carbon 2 ba, carbon 3, carbon 4, etc. Okay? Then you need to name each compound including its EZ or RS designation when necessary. Okay, so ilan kaya ang nabigay mo? Okay, 2-methyl 1-pentene, that's correct. Uh, two. 2-methyl 1-pentene. Question, Josh, may easy ba dito sa 2-methyl 1-pentene?
Ano ba?
May easy rule for 2-methyl 1-pentene?
Methyl 1-pentene wala po kasi pareho naman yung
Na hydrogen, yung nasa terminal. So you cannot
minsan
decide
naman
kung
po.
sino yung
Pwede rin
higher
sana kaso nga
priority.
ng 2-methyl naman. Kaya na po. Meron kasi 2-geminal na methyl anyway.
Yep. Tama naman yun. Yung 2-geminal na methyl. So that will be 2-methyl 2-pentene. 2-methyl 2-pentene. Correct. Tama ito. 2-methyl 2-pentene or 2-methyl pen-2-ene. So another point. Sunod ay 2-methyl 1-pentene tsaka 3-methyl ito. 2-methyl 1-pentene, 2-methyl pen-2-ene, 2-pentene. 2-methyl 2-pentene. Next ay 4-methyl pen-2-ene yung sagot mo. 4-methyl pen-2-ene. So 4-methyl 2-pentene. Yun. 4-methyl 2-pentene. Okay, bakit ito? So, same side. Okay. Okay, opposite side. Correct. So, this is 2E. 2E. 4-methyl. 2E. 4-methyl 2-pentene. Correct. Of course, yung ano niyan, mirror image tuloy. Yung diastereomer niya, no? Geometric diastereomer niya, yung 2Z naman. So, 2Z, 4-methyl 2-pentene. So, another 1 point. So far, 1, 2, 3, 4. Nakaka 4 points ka na, Josh. Next.
Diba?
We have 4-methyl 1-pentene. So, this one cannot also have a ang pangalan nito? Easy designation kasi nga same naman ng priority yung hydrogens. So this will be 1 as well. So far, nakaka 5 points ka na. Next. 2Z. 2Z. 2E 4-methyl 2-pentene. 4-methyl 2-pentene, correct? 2-methyl 2-pentene, tsaka 2-methyl 2-pentene, 2-methyl 1-pentene, correct. Next, 3-methyl pentuine. 3-methyl pentuine. What's that? 3-methyl 2-pentene na 3-methyl 2-pentene, 2E, correct. Tapos meron din tong Z, 2Z, 3-methyl pentuine. And then, you also have 3-methyl 1-pentene. Okay. And then 3S. Okay, correct. Tama rin ito. Josh, may kulang ka dito. Actually, 10 yan. So, 9 out of 10 ka lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Tingin mo, ano yung kulang? Oh, you assess. Yeah, 9 out of 10 ka lang. Yes, Josh.
Sige ba?
Anong kulang dyan? May kulang kang isa. 9 out of 10 ka lang sa 11.
Sige ba? So, tama pa, no?
Yep.
That? Now,
I don't know.
nilabaw yun yung question. That's the question.
I don't know. Number 11, 2.75 out of
2-methyl pent 1,
7, out of 3.
2-methyl pent 2E, 2E, 2Z, 4-methyl pent 1E.
Out of 3.75.
10?
Yeah, it's 10. Supposed to be 10. Where's the
A
other
real...
one?
Makes sense. Dalawa.
The last one is a symmetrical molecule. What if you make your
Three, four,
the
five,
branching as ethyl?
1, 2, 1, 2,
Ayan,
6, 6,
that's correct.
6.
Yeah, yan ang huling answer, Josh. Pero since you draw that just at this moment, so hindi na yung counted. Pero ayan ang sagot.
Wait a minute. Dalawa.
Oh, go ahead. This is your last compound.
One double bond. Wait a minute ba? One double bond. The 5C chain, the 1C branch. Is
Yes,
the
same.
is the ano po counted as a 1C branch?
Oh, ito. Branch to eh.
Kala ko po separate po siya eh. And kasi. Sabi kasi po daw one double bond and a 1C branch. Hindi ko pala na-expect na pwede pala. Akala ko nga po out of the question po
Wait,
yun.
oo nga. No. You have a point there.
Inisip ko nga po baka parang technicality. Pero anyway.
Yeah.
Naisip ko, hindi ko pa na
This is what I'm telling you na maganda na na-expose ka sa mga ganitong tanong so that you know how to approach the questions. That is a really good point. Balikan ko yung ano. 5 carbon chain and a 1 carbon branch. That contain 1 double bond and a 5 carbon chain. So, hindi niya naman sinabi na hindi naman sinabi dito na yung 5 carbon chain, siya lang dapat yung may double bond. Correct?
Tama.
So if that is the case, okay, tama pa rin siya. We need to include this. Kasi akala ko kasi ang tanong, contain 1 double bond with a 5 carbon. Kung with yan, with a 5 carbon chain, mali ito. We will not include this. Since the question is asking C6H12 that contain 1 double bond and a 5 carbon chain with a 1 carbon branch. This still suffice your specifications dito or yung parang hinihingi ng problem. You have a 1 double bond here, that's correct. You have also a 5 carbon chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also correct. 1, 2, 3, 4. However, di ba ang naming parang alam natin dapat ito lang. Tama ba tayo, Josh? Yes, Josh. Sa naming, tama ba, di ba? Yan lang ang
Yes,
i-consider natin longest. Oo.
Kasi nakaano siya, hindi siya sasabihin na yung pentane ng longest chain.
Yeah, correct. So, ano pa rin siya, 5 carbon chain siya, pero ginawa mo parang substituent yung double bond. So, for naming, ease of naming, part yan. Pero by structure, it's still a 5 carbon chain with a 1 carbon branch. And this one still contains a double bond. So, kasama talaga to. So, ang pangalan nito is of course, ano yan? That's your 2-ethyl. 2-ethyl 1-butene. 2-ethyl 1-butene.
But 1 in?
But 1-in. This still is this
Hindi po sir,
compound is
kailangan ko yata po mag-CR. Medyo,
okay, sige.
sige po. Mabilis na po.
Hindi pa nag-load on your end?
Ngayon pa na ba yan?
Yeah, okay. So for number 12,
Oh no!
Oh yes.
Oh no! Oh no, 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 no,
You
no,
need to draw an
no.
energy diagram for the two-step mechanism for the addition of Br2 to ethene. Oh, ayan na. Napakasimple lang. Ethene to form 1,2-dibromoethane. Draw the structure of the transition state for each step. Okay? So, kahit ma-start natin itong 12 para at least sa Wednesday ay ma-checkan natin siya 12 and 30. 12 and 30. Asan na yung ano mo, answer sa 12? So please draw an energy diagram. So we'll just make the most out of until 5 p.m. Okay?
Yeah po.
Yeah. Ano naman na.
Now
We've
there's the
already
problem.
discussed naman more than 2 hours.
And ano bang
Madaming items
draw
din
the
naman
structure
tayo.
for each transition step.
Yeah. I know that's your favorite problem. I mean the type of problems that you like mostly involve energy diagrams in organic chemistry.
Yes, this is where I feel the most. So wait lang po, I'm going to make sure this is correct. Yeah. So,
Oh, makaliit naman yan, Josh. Make sure nakasya siya dyan, ha?
Opo.
Okay. Well, anyways, I can just zoom in for your answer.
So, kasi ito po, nucleophilic attack yata daw. Nucleophilic attack. So, hindi. Wow, tingnan naman pa yung mga sketching. Wow. Sige. So, Oops, B2. Me. One, two. So,
Am I correct ba, Josh, na kapag I leave this room, ay hindi ka makakapag-stay? Not
ano ba?
sure. If I leave this room,
I
kunwari
believe
around
so. Opo, I
5:05,
believe so. Kaya tatapos ko na ba?
hindi, try ko ha, mag-leave meeting ako.
Sige po.
Ah,
What if bibigyan na po ako ng co-host? Para for sure.
ayan nga, assign and leave. I'll try. I can say naman siguro until 5:05. Para if you're done, you can check na yung answer mo.
True
Okay?
ba?
Just
So, wala po yung whiteboard nila mo. So, ako kaya po. Try ko po.
I see. Pero
So,
ikaw
yung
pa rin ang
whiteboard.
host.
Pila mo? Recent.
Ah, ah.
Ako kaya po mag-share. Ayan.
Pero nawala yung whiteboard na.
Ano ba?
Nawala yung whiteboard kanina. Because I'm the one sharing it, right?
Think so. Opo.
But this time, you're the one sharing it already. And I guess, it's under your name already. The whiteboard's under your name. So, most probably, if I leave, ay hindi na rin ako,
Try na ba?
ah, sige, just continue doing that. Debating na lang siya. Tama na to. Kahit mag-leave ako, makaka-work ka na. Kasi it's your whiteboard already and you're already the host of this meeting. Okay? So wala pa namang ah, wala yung whiteboard. Para the next time that we'll have our meeting, para you can continue pa rin that specific item wherein we will leave and then we'll just check it the following meeting. Pero ito, if, ayan, wala pa namang chat sa akin na mag-start na yung meeting.
Ikaw ba? So,
Baka pwede pa natin ito ma-check.
dati.
Sige. Just continue, Josh.
Hindi ka pa magbulagay ng partial positive sa double bond imbis na sa carbons mo.
I think dapat sa carbon si Ian.
Okay, sige ba?
Bakit kita sinasagot?
Hindi ko kasi po nakita kung ever po na ganun. Anyway. Mhm. Okay, sabi ko, um, intermediate. Oh, December. Makas. Anyway,
Are you done?
wait lang po. Yung buong thing, thingamajig, wait lang po. Oh, H. Tapos zone. Ano pa kaya?
Mm-hmm.
The
So
transition
if
step, blah, blah,
you're,
blah, 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 blah. Mukhang okay na ba siguro?
okay, sige. Let's check this already para we can check it. We can finish or close this item. Ano ba to? Ayan. Okay. So you have it in here. Okay. I'll check the axis first. Energy, reaction coordinate, pwede rin tong time. So, or reaction progress will also do here. Tapos, nandito dapat ang reactants mo. You have here ethene and BR2. Tapos, dapat higher tong EA1 kumpara sa EA2 na peak, yung pinaka-peak niya. Okay, mas mataas pa rin naman. Then you have here intermediate. Tapos this will be your transition states. Tapos ang product mo ay CH2, CH2, BR. Correct. So, yung transition state mo ay hmm, ang tanong lang ba ay energy diagram? Yeah. Draw an energy diagram for the two-step mechanism for the addition of BR2 to CH2 to form one to the structure for each step. Ayan. Energy diagram. Understood naman to. Should be carbon, carbon, hydrogen, hydrogen. Broken bond, bromine, bromine, broken bond. Partial positive, partial positive. Partial positive dapat ito. And then ito. Okay. And then, partial positive dapat yung naka-triangle. Tapos yung isang aatak ay partial negative. Tapos nakakonect. Broken to. Correct. So, this is EA1. And then, ito ang what's this? Intermediate. Br plus carbon, carbon plus Br negative. Correct. And this is EA2. Okay. Delta H2 is less than 0. Delta H1 is greater than 0. Correct. So ito ay endothermic, ito ay highly exothermic, and then the delta H naught is less than 0. So, yup, correct. Dapat exothermic to, slightly exothermic. Yeah, this is perfect. So, ang lahat ng hinahanap ko ay nandito naman. Transition state 1, transition state 2, intermediate 1, yung products mo, yung reactant and products, EA1, EA2, delta H naught, na kahit yung reaction nga lang overall. Yung axes are well labeled. Okay, I'll give you 5 out of 5 for this. Yeah, wala ka naman nakalimutan. Pero it's nice for you to draw, no? Energy diagram like this kasi it solidifies your knowledge for energy diagram and reaction mechanisms. Lalo na yung pagdodrawing or illustrate ng reaction mechanism, turning it into energy diagrams. It also tests your knowledge, no? If as reaction, how can you demonstrate via energy diagrams if a reaction is endothermic or exothermic, then how many, just illustrate the energy needed to convert your product into the
True.
intermediate and then intermediate into reactants into intermediate, then intermediate into the products
True.
by
Tama.
having your EA. Yeah. Okay, number 12, 5 out of 5. Okay, we'll just continue this, Josh, on Wednesday, ha? Thank you so much for today, Josh.
Tingnan mo, tingnan mo, tingnan mo.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye mo.
Mhm.
Higher. Nice. Baba, tingnan mo. Down meet.